After yesterday's Federal Reserve rate decrease, what has happened to the stock market, to Tesla, stock indices, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum? Let's take a look at that right now. Tesla closed at 416.85, down $9.01, down 2.12%. Post-market soon to be up by $1.27. So let's take a look at what these numbers mean on our chart. Just looking at numbers means nothing. We need context, we need relativity. So let's take a look. This is the candle that we have today. This is a red candle, okay? This is a red candle because we opened higher than where we closed. But at the same time, let's look at the facts. We still made a higher low and we made a higher high. So overall, people still paid higher for a Tesla share than they did yesterday overall. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart to get more details as to how things happen. So remember this small bullish channel we had on the 1-hour chart. When a bullish channel is narrow, it's not going to last a long time. And it has not lasted a long time. This is how long it lasts, but that's fine. When we went outside of it, it does not mean that we are necessarily going down. It just means that we are going sideways. So yes, it is going sideways. Our support is at 411.71. This is where we are so far. It can be argued that we have support at 465. It's not 400. 465 cents. We have support there too. But so far, we have been able to stay above 411.71. Sometimes going a little bit higher. And today we came down a little bit. So today we are at 416 as we said. This is the current rate of ascent that we had since last Friday, and now we have broken below it. Maybe we are seeing definite weakening, so maybe it's time to start thinking about taking profit, depending on when you got in. But it's not too bad to take profit here. We see some weakening, although we should be opening higher tomorrow, exactly where we have the blue line. So it would still mean that we would still be outside, but we'll see tomorrow. We cannot sell any shares tonight anyway. In terms of technical indicators, we are losing technical indicators. When this starts, then at least on the 1-hour chart, we have less stochastic. We still have the MI, but our reversal indicator is turning bearish. So that's on the 1-hour chart. When you play things a little bit more tightly, a little bit more intraday. On the daily chart, everything is still good. Stochastic over 60, the MI reversal is still bullish. Everything is still good on the daily chart. We have support at 415.47 also on the daily charts. So myself, I might take profit at 415.47. I'm not sure I want to hold until 411.71 because I'm in since 4.7. I want to keep a little something. Tesla, the next stop for Tesla is 440. So far, we are not reaching it. But 440 is the top of a congestion zone that we were in at the beginning of the year. Theoretically, we should be moving a little bit higher still. There's still room to grow a bit. And if we look closely at 426.47, we could not break above that number. And if we go in the past right here, we see that 426.47 stopped us in the past. We came down and then we reached a little bit higher very briefly. So maybe this is what is going to happen too. We'll see. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. Is it only Tesla that is down? VIX was quite low at the beginning of the day, so this gave a nice push, but VIX is climbing a little bit. We still are below 16, 1569, not too bad. Let's just keep watching it. And what about the stock indices? So Dow Jones. Dow Jones, look at this, right back on this bullish channel right here, right back on it. SPX also outside of its bullish channel resistance. It's back outside. Yesterday we came a little bit inside, so we like to see this. NASDAQ, good day NASDAQ. Look at this, nice bounce. This is now support at 23,964. This should be green, so really nice support. Really nice bounce that we had yesterday, and now we are continuing. So because of all of this, Tesla should be also continuing eventually. Russell, look at this, boom. Big move up, broke resistance at 24.67. Quite strong, quite strong. The small caps are strong, so look at them. Let's take a look at the heat map of the market. So pretty much even, Steven. Let's look at gold. So gold, this is not a surprise. We are caving into resistance. This is what we're supposed to do. Boom, boom, we cave in. When we break a resistance, then this is a signal that things are especially going good and we can join in. But right now, there is not much to join. Silver, we were overextended outside of our bullish channel resistance just for a couple of days, but now we are just right smack on the support. So maybe this is just a little bit of a pullback and maybe we are going to continue. Bitcoin up $290. This is inching up. This is the bullish channel support right here, and we are just continuing along the way. Ethereum, nice bounce yesterday on that support. Today, just a little bit higher overall, even though from a close perspective, we are $5 down. And BMNR up 5%. BMNR is on a tear. The next bullish channel resistance right here, depending on when we are going to reach it, is about $80. So we still have at least $20 more to gain from that one. XRP pretty stable. XLM still into a downward trend, cannot break it. We try. We tried here, we tried here, we tried here, and we just tried here today, cannot break it. This is a downtrend. We should not buy. I don't suggest that you buy anything into a downtrend because the price is going down. So just wait longer. The price is going to be lower longer. At some point, it's going to stop going down, it's going to start going sideways. Then you can decide, okay, I'm going to chance it. I'm going to buy in order because I think it's going to go higher eventually. Or you wait until it shows you that it wants to go higher now, then you can get in. So this is what we do on this channel. We follow the trend. We don't know when the trend is going to change, but we know how to notice a change in trend. Very important. If you don't do this, if you are not trend aware, if you are not a trend aware investor, you will buy stocks based on the company. Is it a good company? Is it a bad company? And when you do that, well, you risk getting into Tesla at $300 in November 2021, writing it down to $100 1 year later. So you risk this happening because the company was still doing great. Earnings were good. 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 The stock was tanking. The stock was tanking. The tug of war between the buyers and sellers, it's the sellers that were winning. So if you are not trend aware, you are losing humongous opportunities. You can just sell, let it fall down, and buy it back up. This is where we bought back up with these yellow arrows. Boom, boom. You can go back in my old videos. January 20th, 2023, I said it's the time to buy. Each time, boom. But not for a long time because we were still into a big downward trend. So yes, it was time to buy. And then the time to buy was gone. So be a trend-aware investor. You will make so much more money because you won't have those big drawdowns. Very important to get out of those. And don't forget, I have a trend line masterclass October 12th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. I will be there live and I will teach you how to do the trend lines like I do. This is $150. This is free if you are a member of Discord. And let me tell you about these levels right here, the membership levels, the just thank you, the buy alerts, and the private Discord server. The buy alerts, I mentioned some buy alerts in there when I see them, but you don't learn anything. I am not teaching you how to fish with those buy alerts. I am just giving you a fish. This is a fish, this is a fish, this is a fish. Private Discord server, this is where we can discuss things. I'm going to show you this is a fish. I'm going to tell you why. You can ask questions. You can ask me if I see other fishes in other companies. This is way more valuable. If you want to learn how to fish, you go on the private Discord server. Tesla, a little bit of a cool down today, but still overall, we are still going higher. So let's wait. Let's not panic. If you want to take profit, you can take profit at any point. There's no problem there. But let's just see what is going to happen tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.